Hitha. Once again, a big greeting to all the members of the community of improved recovery of hydrocarbons. My name is Hildermaro Yerbes. I am the leader of electrical instrumentation of Nakazawa Mana. In this opportunity, I am going to talk about the relevant activities for the preventive maintenance of steam generation systems. I am going to be referring specifically to the steam generation system used in our most recent cyclical steam injection project carried out in the marijuana field, in a desert area of Rajasthan, India. A constant vigilance and supervision of the different parameters and instruments and equipment were the fundamental and determining key to be able to carry out a correct and very effective preventive maintenance. In the Agua Marina Energy House, this methodology allowed us to keep the non-productive times generated by the failure of instruments and equipment minimal during the execution of the project, reaching barely 1%. The constant supervision of the different devices during which the development of the project allowed us to carry out the early detection of possible failures in the different areas, both mechanical and electrical, in instrumentation and processes, as well as being able to carry out the planning and coordination for the correction of failures during the different phases of the infection cycle. Once the first injection phase of the project in the Baby Warner field was completed, we carried out preventive maintenance at level 3 on all the equipment that makes up our system. In this maintenance phase, some devices were replaced. This is how maintenance was also carried out on raw water tanks, treated water tank, chemical tanks, brine tank, etc. Preventive maintenance was also carried out on all the rotating equipment that make up our system. In the same way, the check and verification of the calibration of all the instruments of the different systems was carried out. Likewise, the check and verification of all the start and stop sequences were carried out. In my operation of all control systems, we see here the successful completion of all these activities. It does not allow us have the confidence and security of having a team in excellent condition and ready to start the second phase of injection in the field www. From India. This has been all for now. See you in a next informative visit.